What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. On today's episode of DDFM crew members are the absolute best riders in the world. We're going to be talking about this DDFM crew member doing some really cool things, able to get an object out of the road, which could have caused some hazards for motorcycle riders or even other car drivers. And he's actually local to Tucson. So, hey, how you doing, Crow? Yeah. And then we also have this situation right here where, this person, this van driver is going nuts, is trying to attack another rider. It's kind of stupid, but we're going to be focusing on the good stuff. Remember, remove all the bad with the after action review process. And with that said, let's head to class and see what this crew member can do. Click that join button if you want to be one yourself. All right. So a crazy van driver was captured attacking these bikers. Uh-oh. Well, he's got chevrons. He's pretty safe. Oh, he's being a little impatient. Yeah, be back here, Courier 1200. Watch the stuff that happens. If you're up there, decelerate yourself out of it. Let that person go. I'd rather have an idiot in front of me than an idiot behind me with a deadly weapon. You know what I mean? There you go. I think that's what happened too. So in this situation, everybody, be very, very careful. You're never going to change what's going to happen in the mind of this driver. What you can do is change your actions. So if you're this driver or this rider and this driver comes up behind you, switch lanes, just do it. Get behind here. This person, get behind here. Everyone just kind of, get back. Watch what happens. Okay, let that person go. If they decide to slam the brakes and stop, if you're on the Cardo, Pack Talk, Bold, Freecom, Slim, whatever it is, using the link in the description for a discount, you guys can all talk to each other through the dynamic mesh system that they have and say, hey, let this idiot go. Let's all go back here. Hey, first turn that we're going to take, we're going to turn left. We're all going to turn left. We're all going to turn left. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. That's what's being a good, smart rider. On top of that, if anybody does get hurt, you have your rescue card, you have your rescue kit, you got the trauma kit, everything, just in case something happens. You're all wearing gear. Smart riders. I don't have to talk about it anymore. Let's go. So right here, once you see the idiot, especially if you're that person, you talk to him, say, hey, buddy, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Just get out of the way. Just let him go. Just let him go. He's being dumb. Get into this lane. There you go. Good. Hey, man, everyone brake. Everyone brake. Let him in. Let him out. Let him out. Whoa. Thankfully, you didn't panic brake. Just decelerate or accelerate. Get yourself out of there. Remember, you have multiple escapes with powerful bikes and say, hey, we're all turning on 12th Street. Turn left on 12th Street. Turn left on 12th Street. Turn left. Whatever the road is. Get out of there. That'd make me so mad. Hate's a strong word, but I hate when people want to hurt others. All right, so Crow, Arizona. Hey, this is Tucson. Is that Beyond Bread? This is Speedway. No. Is it Speedway? Yeah, Speedway and Wilmot. Hey, Crow. He's a crew member. He's been in the... Hey, I don't know if you're going to be in here, man. So Crow, Arizona is a crew member. I haven't seen what happens here. I'm hoping you're gonna show us something becoming a smart rider. All right? Let's see what happens once I refresh everything. Here we go. So we're going. Good position for safety. He's been planning his ride. Oh. Yep, remember, ensure your own safety, doing a good job. I would put it in the gore area, but I don't know what it is. Is it a brick? It's a piece of wood. That can mess you up. Imagine the thing flipped up and hitting somebody's window. Oh, we got another one. We're gonna let it play. Oh, what happened? Yeah! Ah, Crow, dude. This is a DDFM crew member. Yeah, Crow. Oh man. I gotta give him some props here. He did absolutely everything I would have done. If I decided to get off the bike to put the piece of wood on the median, I would have done exactly that. All right, so here's the thing I want to point out that he's being a smart rider. So he's been paying attention to the channel. He's in the Discord. I see him all the time on my Instagram commenting. He's local to Tucson, Arizona. Amazing guy. He rides his one and only X-Ram and everybody here at 520 Moto. So here's the thing. Great position for safety. Okay, so planning your ride. Look at that vision. Look at the space cushion. Look at his escape routes. has everything. So boom, already positioned for safety. Now we're going to see if we can locate a hazard at any point. So he's going to position himself. Look, real quick, there's a little jump cut. So this is the exact position I would be in. Okay, now maybe I wouldn't be this close, but I'll give him the excuse that GoPros, kind of mess things up. One thing I do notice, come on, man, get a rock form mount. I understand sport bikes and they're working on some things, but they do have a sport bike mount with a nice little thing. Anyways, I'm not gonna say that. You can do what you want. The thing is, he's got a good position for safety. He located a hazard. Now this could hit a motorcyclist because motorcyclists sit here, right? They can also, a car driver can launch it up, right? You gotta be careful with that. So here's the thing: it's a stoplight. We can't lane filter in Arizona, so it's a stoplight, and it's a big intersection, Wilmot Speedway. So it takes a while for things to change. Probably just hit red. So he knows he's got probably at least 20 seconds. Okay, so now here we go. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. So he grabs it, and he's gonna look before just running, and he's gonna say thank you. Ooh, love it already. He's gonna say, hey man, thank you so much. So instead of running into traffic without even really thinking about it, he's gonna look both ways, ensuring his safety, looking for hazards. Here we go. Okay, we got a hazard coming up. Okay, we located. We're still adapting. We're planning everything. Position for safety, locate, adapt, navigate. We could do it while we're walking. So we're okay. I see a truck coming. I'm gonna do a quick look. Do a double take. Okay, cool. I can make it. Still looking. Thank you. We're gonna go ahead and run back as quick as we can. And now we're gonna go ahead and say hi to somebody. Yeah. Here we go. Crow, I hope you're in the chat. If not. So we're gonna take a quick look at what happens here. Yeah. Doing a great job. Mm-hmm. Then we're gonna say hi. We're not speeding. We're just catching up. Okay, now we're going the speed limit. Yeah. Now we're just doing a little fist bump. Love it. All right, moving on to this one. Thanks, Crow, for showing some love in Tucson and being a smart rider, showcasing. Hey, that could be a future rider, everybody. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Somebody's messing with the stuff. This could be a future rider. We just showed this person and the driver, could be the father. I don't know how old this person is. Could be somebody wanting to ride in the future, and we just showed, hey, this is what the crew is all about. So on the other side of the road, so real quick, I like to show this. Biker notes. A rider entering an on-ramp, hairpin, turn to a highway, I'm having trouble, is distracted by something, taking his eyes off the road long enough and not realizing he is heading straight into the concrete road divider. Uh-oh. Lucky for the rider, it was a very low speed turn and was not hurt. Let's take a quick look at this on the other side of the road. I think we've seen this one before. Yeah, we saw this one in last class, which we have Tuesdays and Thursdays, 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Whew. Make sure you guys click that sign in button, which is that like button. So he was fumbling and riding, so he's not paying attention. We're not going to spend too much time on this one. He's going to go a little bit wide, realizing way too late, panic braked. Now we're going to go and dump the bike. He has a half helmet on. He's probably a veteran, so I mean, I don't know why we weren't being situation aware. Just kind of wasn't paying attention. Maybe complacency can happen to the best of us. Thank you for your service, mister. But here's the thing: we're behind him. This was sent in originally by a DDFM crew member. Let's go ahead and pause that so you guys can just listen to me. DDFM crew member. That's a DDFM crew member. He's going to assist and rescue another rider. Go and maybe do his assessment, figure out what's happening, help him lift up the bike, make sure everything's good. And then he's on his way. Absolute beautiful class act. Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment. So make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from Revzilla using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It helps me out. No extra cost to you. Plus, it lets Revzilla know that the DDFM crew is pretty badass and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link. I'll see you soon.